In the first part of my video, I am going to show my solutions and finding divisibility in the number 33,445. So, dumako na po tayo sa solution. Find the divisibility of 33,445. Check natin if it is divisible by 2. So, the rules of divisibility by 2 is the unit digits must be even. So, since 33,445, since the last digit ends at the odd number, so it means this is not divisible by 2 because this is not even numbers. It is odd numbers. So, kasi yan sa divisibility by 2. Dako naman po tayo sa divisible by 3. So, alamin natin kung it is divisible by 3 ba. So, 33,445. So, ang rule ng divisibility by 3 ay if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. So, ipag-add natin yung mga digits. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Plus 5, 19. Since ang 19, it is not divisible by 3, so, X siya. Hindi siya divisible by rule number 3. Next is divisible by 4. Check natin kung divisible ba siya sa 4. So, ang rule ng number 4 naman is the number formed by its last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. The last 2 digit is 45. So, ang 45, hindi siya divisible by 4. So, it means hindi siya divisible by the rule of divisibility by 4. Next naman is 5. If the last digit ends with 0 or 5, so it means it is divisible by 5. Since ang 33,445 ay nag-end siya sa 5, so it means divisible siya sa 5. Kasi 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, divisible siya sa 5. Alamin naman natin if this 33,445 is divisible by 6. Ang sabi sa rules ng number 6, divisibility by 6, dapat divisible siya sa rule ng number 3 at number 2. Dapat it is even numbers, and ang rule number 3 naman, if the last 2 digit, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So, since dito pa lang sa rule ng number 2, hindi na siya, ligwak na siya. So, kapag tsaka sa rule number 3, ligwak din siya kasi 19 yung sum niyan. So, this is not divisible by 6. Dumako naman po tayo sa divisibility by 7. Ang rule naman sa divisible by 7, when the units last digit is doubled and subtract from the number. So, idodouble natin yung last digit sa natitirang digits. Sige, double natin yung 5. So, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10. Tapos, i-minus natin dito sa natitira digits. Okay, minus natin. 4, 3, 3, 3. I-divide natin yung 33 sa 7. Alamin natin kung divisible ba siya sa 7. So, 33 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 13, 5. Bring down 3. So, 53 divided by 7 is 749. Kumalik ko. 2, 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Bring down ulit natin yung 4. So, 44 divided by 7 is 36, 42. So, hindi siya divisible by 7 kasi meron siyang remainder na 2. So, hindi siya divisible by 7. Next naman, so, move on naman tayo sa divisibility by 8. So, ang rules naman ng number 8, the number formed by its last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So, tingnan natin, if it is divisible ba by 8. So, ang last 3 digits daw, dapat divisible siya sa 8. So, tingnan natin kung divisible ba siya sa 8. 44 divided by 8 is 40. Bring down 4. Ay, bring down 5. Ayan. Tapos, 40. So, remainder siya na 5. So, it means, hindi siya divisible by 8. So, alamin naman natin kung divisible ba siya sa divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is also divisible by 9. So, if the sum daw of the digits 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. So, since ang sum nito, mga digits na to is 19, pag dinivide natin sa 9, hindi siya divisible by 9 kasi meron siyang remainder na 1. May remainder siyang 1. So, hindi siya divisible by 9. Alamin naman natin if 33,445 is divisible naman ba by divisibility of by 10. So, ang rule naman ng number 10 is the last digit must be 0. Dahil ang last digit niya ay 5, so this is not a divisible by 10. So, hindi siya divisible by 10. Therefore, 33,445 is only divisible by 5.